on stage, but everyone is listening. We are inviting everyone to join. So we are inviting students to join our competition, which is the presentation competition and the roundtable discussion. So we invited a few university and government partners. At the moment, we're still inviting kasi we have to move the day. For the roundtable discussion, we'll be taking up background. And then that group can discuss
Bro, ito, free na to.
Next.
Wala eh, asan ba? Pero ano ba siya? Alam mo? Wala gumagalaw eh. XIQ. Why not?